Do you guys think that only Fear Factor and Iron Chef has the most disgusting cuisine prepared that exists in this planet? Well, you are wrong. Our world is so diverse with such a wide variety of delicacies and culture that there are more to it. Amazonian ants, half cooked fetal eggs, wriggly worms of all kinds of stages in life, hoops, beaks, ears, and eyeballs. These are just some of them. Prep methods are just as enticing: fermenting, pickling, infusing, boiling, blowtorching, decomposing, and simply served live and wriggling. So, here are the top 10 disgusting food in the world. Number 10. Casu marzu, also known as the rotten cheese, is a Sardinian specialty made from sheep milk cheese. It contains live insect larvae, which are introduced to the cheese in order to promote an advanced level of fermentation to break down the cheese fat. Number 9. The century egg, also known as preserved egg, 100-year egg, and 1,000-year egg, is made by preserving a duck, a chicken, or a quail egg in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, quicklime, and rice hulls for several weeks to several months. Through this process, the yolk turns into a dark gray or green in color and develops a pungent flavor due to hydrogen sulfide and ammonia present in it. Number 8. The durian fruit is renowned for its pungent odor and is most common in Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. While it is called the king of fruits in those cultures, many find its overpowering aroma to be unpleasant, described as being similar to rotten onions, turpentines, and even raw sewage. Due to its persistent odor, the fruit has been banned from many hotels and residences throughout Asia. Number 7. Su Kallu Sardu, another Sardinian cheese made in such a unique way that only a handful of companies are even allowed to produce. It's made by taking the stomach of a baby goat and left to mature with all its contents of mother's milk or raw goat's milk, and then eaten sliced on bread, including the stomach, or fried in lard. Natto. This is a traditional breakfast food in Japan, made from soybeans fermented with Bacillus subtilis. It's typically served with soy sauce, karashi mustard, and Japanese bunching onion. Many culture believes that eating penis of any kind imbues the diner with health and power, but most simply as a source of lean protein. Bull, ox, yak, and buffalo are among the most common eaten, particularly in Eastern cultures, including China and notably Beijing. Number 4. Kopi Luwak. It is made from part digested coffee berries eaten and defecated by the Asian palm civet. Fermentation occurs as the berries pass through a civet's intestine, and after being defecated with other fecal matter, they are collected and brewed into one of the world's most expensive coffees. Number 3. Kale pache is a traditional dish common to countries including Afghanistan, Albania, Armenia, Bulgaria, and Mongolia. It refers to stew made from boiled cow or sheep parts, which could include the head, feet, and stomach. Number 2. fried fruit bats are a common food source in the Pacific Rim and Asia, including Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam, Guam, due to their low fat content and high protein. Number 1. Another specialty in China and also Korea, mouse wine, is made by infusing rice wine with baby mice. It's made by dropping live 2-day-old mice into a bottle and leaving them to ferment for roughly a year. It is considered a health tonic. It's thought to be a particularly effective remedy for asthma as well as liver diseases